Lesson 14. 40. Song Bo Lan K Wei. Turn the left tiptoe outwards by about 45 degrees, pointing southwest, with left heel as axis. Turn the body to the left. Unfold the right hand and stretch forward the right hand to the shoulder height with elbow slightly uplifted and palm facing south. Droop the left hand to the front of the lower abdomen with palm facing upwards. With weight on the left foot, move the right foot close to the left foot with sole touching the ground first. Droop the right hand naturally to the front of right pelvis and uplift the left hand to the front of left chest. Right foot steps westwards with right heel touching the ground first. With right elbow as axis, stretch out the right hand forward, west, to the front of mouth along the centerline passing the abdomen, chest, throat with arm slightly bent. Droop the shoulders and elbows. Face west. Left hand put in front of left crotch. Left foot props up on the ground and right foot stands firmly, weight moving forward. Your right knee should not go beyond your right tiptoe. Right arm stretches out along with your body to the west such that the hand is about the same height as the throat. Elbow bends and naturally droop. Look forward, draw your chin slightly back, relax shoulders, stand upright and naturally breath. This is called hung. Shift the center of gravity back, turn the body slightly to the left about 45 degrees, stretch the right arm slightly first and then retract, and move the left hand to the top of the abdomen, palm down. Cross your arms, with the palm of your right palm inward and the palm of your left palm outward, above your abdomen. Shift your weight to your left foot, lift the sole of your right foot, and touch your heel to the ground. Push on the left foot, shift the weight to the right foot, squeeze and open the arms, turn the right palm from inward to the back, and the left palm from outward to downward. Shift the weight backward with your body slightly turning to the left. Right arm stretches out slightly relative to your left arm. Let both palms face downward. Arms press out slightly. Turn to your left by about 45 degrees. Face southwest. Arms naturally droop. Weight shifted to your left foot. Lift right sole up with heel down to the ground. Move the arms to the sides of pelvis. Turn the body to the right. Face west. Hands raise up to the front of the chest along the center line. Left palm faces up and right palm faces down. Shift weight to your right foot and stand firmly on the ground. Stretch out your right hand, with palm pushing down and gradually turning outward and eventually stretching to the high as shoulders. Stretch out your left hand to the position of abdomen. Keep the right leg, bow-shaped, and left leg propping on the ground. Note that right knee should not surpass the right tiptoe. Shift weight to your left foot and meanwhile turn your body to the right slightly. Hands make a downward stroke from the right to left. With weight on your left foot, turn left. Hands make stroke to the left and to the position of pelvis. Keep right heel on the ground. Face south. This is called LV. Move your right hand upward with elbow as an axis. Palm faces inward. Left arm circles to the left with shoulder as an axis. Left hand raises up to the same height as shoulders, with elbow bent and palm facing to the mouth. Turn right. Left hand descends along the center line. Left palm and the front of right arm cross in front of the chest. Raise right tiptoe with heel on the ground. Turn right, facing to the west. Prop left leg on the ground with weight shifting forward on your right foot. Keep your right elbow below your right wrist. Left hand stays inner side of right wrist. Hands move forward with body. Keep the right leg, bow-shaped, and left leg propping on the ground. Hands squeeze forward with body. Slightly draw back your chin. Keep eyes looking forward, relax the shoulders, and breathe smoothly. This is called G. After squeezing hands forward along with the forward moving of the body, whirl the hands naturally forward, with palms facing downward, shoulder width. Weight shifts backward, and turn your body slightly left with arms also turning left by about 45 degrees. Move weight to your left foot and raise the right sole, with heel on the ground. With weight on your left foot, slightly turn right, face west, arms naturally droop and hands lie around the crotches. With elbow as an axis, raise hands to the chest along the center line passing the abdomen. Palms slightly separated and face each other. Relax the shoulders and stand upright. Shift the weight forward to the right foot. Hands press forward along with the forward moving of body to the same height of shoulders. Arms slightly bent. Relax from shoulders to toes. This is called An. 41. Danbian with right foot propping on the ground. Move the weight to the left foot. Droop the right hand naturally. Uplift the left hand to the front of eyebrow. Turn left. Turn the right foot to the left with the right heel as axis till toes to the direction of south. Put the weight on the left foot. Face south with left hand in front of the mouth, thumb pointing to the nose, right hand between legs. Turn left. Turn the right foot to the left with the right heel as axis till toes to the direction of south. Put the weight on the left foot. Face south with left hand in front of the mouth, thumb pointing to the nose, right hand between legs. Stand firmly on the right foot, turn the body to the left, face southeast. Put your weight on the right foot, droop the left hand naturally, raise the right hand along the center line to chest. Put the weight on the right foot, turn the body to the right slightly with the left hand naturally drooped. Raise right hand with thumb pointing up, palm facing the mouth. Stretch out the right wrist while the right elbow lower than the right hand. Raise the right hand to the front of mouth with the right hand pinky and ring finger bent to palm and fingertips of thumb, fingertips of index and fingertips of middle fingers sticking together and pointing downwards, in a beak shaped. Uplift the left wrist, keep the left middle finger close to the right wrist. Raise the left heel slightly with front foot on the ground. Turn the body to the left. Take a step with the left foot to the east, with heel touching down the ground. Relax the shoulders and droop the elbows. Raise the left hand to the chest with palm facing right. Propping the right leg on the ground with the weight shifting to the left foot while pressing the left palm forward, followed by the right hand, droop the wrist and relax the shoulders. Look at the left hand, while right wrist pointing to the east with the apexes of nose, finger and toe on the same vertical line. With left leg bow step and right leg propping on the group, keep the body upright, and breathe smoothly. 42. Yu Nu Chuan Suo, 4 corners, slightly turn right with weight shifting to your right foot. Left hand stretches out upright, palm turning to the upper right in a curve with body facing south. Turn right with weight on your right foot. Tiptoe turn from east to south, pivot on your left heel. Let your left hand travel to the right to the position behind your right wrist in a curve. Turn right. Right hand makes a palmate shape, and arms naturally droop at the same time. Shift your weight to your left foot. Face southwest. Turn your body to the southeast with weight on your left foot. Hands naturally droop and turn to the left with body. Right heel is slightly lifted and turns to the left. Raise your right hand along centerline, palm facing inside. Meanwhile, raise your left hand to your left front, palm facing out. Turn the body to the right, facing the north, turn the right foot to the left, raise the right hand to the mouth, turn the left hand to the forehead, and turn right with the body. Facing northwest. The center of gravity falls on the left foot, the body turns to the right foot is raised, the toes are placed next to the left foot, the toes are facing the southwest, meanwhile the hands turn to the right with the body, and fall naturally facing the northwest. Left hand rises along the center line such that left palm faces to your mouth. Move your right hand to your waist. Step your left foot forward to the southwest. Turn your body to the southwest. Raise your left elbow to the height of ears with left hand in front of your mouth, palm turning to facing southwest. Meanwhile, push your right hand to the front of your chest from your waist. Prop your right leg on the ground with weight shifting to your left foot. Hands push forward with body to the southwest. Let your waist relaxed, left leg bent and right leg prop up on the ground. Face southwest. The first corner.